We are going to Cafe Alicia, owned by late Governor Digamo. So, here we go. Masaya dalanan eh. National Highway. And, nyo di ba diya?
Hi.
So this Cebulan okay, bridge. Look at this. We are approaching now to Cafe Alicia. Alicia. Nice mountain road. Yeah, about how many minutes? 5 minutes more. See, this is the mountain road. Look at that. See, overlooking. Run. So we are here at the Bayawan na yun eh? Huh? I'm going to Bayawan sa Tagpili. So here this the Cafe Alicia. So this is the Cafe Alicia. Nice place. Here see the church. So we're here at the Cafe Alicia. There's a church.
Pwede naman, pero di natin iabot dito ma'am. Dili na tarbita ma'am.
Oh.
Bye to entrance.
Kailan mo?
104.
104. So we're here at the Cafe Alicia. There's my son and his apron. There's the koi. See the koi? That's the church. And we are on top of the mountain right now. See how nice is that, right? Kalapata?
Pwede na daw dire. Dili na maabutan dito sa lang balay. Ito siya. Gigaw.
Howie.
Naka-record pa rin, Dad?
Oh.
Hala. Less than 5% ano. Low bat. Low bat.
Lobat na ba?
Ha?
Lobat.
Low bat.
Okay.
Kabab.
Iguman.
Show you the koi. Shorts. See this coffee Alicia down here. So we're on top of the mountain right now. Yeah. This owned by late Governor Rural Governor Digamo. So I'll give you a tour. We are on top of the mountain actually right now. See, I'm gonna show you it's fogging. This silver fogging. There's a cliff. See, look at this cliff. I'll show you. See, there's a cliff. Yeah, man. So, that's the church. The church coffee, Alicia.